Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, before I show you the fuse, I just want to add, fuse is the first thing you can check, and then second most common problem why the horn is not working is actually the airbag clock spring. So this is the second thing you should focus on. And then if all of that looks good, then you want to check on the wiring, electrical connections, horn switch, and the horns itself. Okay, so the horn fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. To access the fuse, you want to remove the cover. You have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram, and in the top right corner, a fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Horn fuse will be fuse number F71, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.